Hello dear students of class 8. So we are going to start the second topic of your first chapter, that is matter. We have discussed in topic, in last video, that how what from what matter is composed of, that's atoms and molecules, and intermolecular space, intermolecular force. We have all discussed these all topics. Now we will start the next topic, that is force of cohesion or force of adhesion. Force of cohesion. A question in your mind, that what is force of cohesion? Let me make you clear that this is a chalk and there are infinite particles of chalk just together with each other and form a long chalk. Okay? Infinite particles, molecules of the chalk is combined to form a long chalk. These molecules attract each other by a force that is called as cohesion. Means molecules of similar kind exert a force that is called as force of cohesion. For example, if I am putting some water in a beaker, already know that the molecular formula of water is H2O. It means that there are infinite particles of water present in this beaker, and all these particles are attracted by each other, and that force of attraction is called as force of cohesion. Next is force of adhesion. Molecules of different kind exert a force is called as force of adhesion. For example, if I am putting some ink in this chalk, let's say that there is a chalk, and on chalk I am putting some another liquid, that is ink or water. Whatever you take, if you take water, H2O, it may be also. Then the molecules of chalk and the molecules of water will attract each other and exert some forces. That force is called as force of adhesion. Means that when there are infinite molecules and more than two molecules present of same kind, they all exerting their force to each other, and that force is called as force of cohesion. And if there are different kinds of molecules present at the same place and they are attracting to each other, then that is called as force of adhesion. I think you are going to understand that. Now our next topic is kinetic theory of matter. Kinetic theory of matter. Let me say something about this topic, kinetic theory of matter. Molecules or gases matters in the form of what? Gases and liquid forms meet difficulties for studying their particles. Then scientists developed some thoughts. So to consider these particles, like it may be of that, it may be like imaging something, and they understood that molecules of gas is in the shape of a sphere. Means you know all that the shape of atom or molecule is a spherical shape. Basically, it is a spherical shape, and it is considered that gases, any matters following which all shapes are in spherical. That's right. There are 3 points in your syllabus, that is matter is composed of small particles, atoms and molecules. That is, its shape is considered as a spherical shape. Similarly, molecules of substances are on constant motion, means that molecules of substance always move from one place to another place. If we अगर हम लोग अगरबत्ती जलाते हैं एक जगह पे, तो पूरा हवा में उसका सेंट फैल जाता है। इट मीन्स ये कैसे होता है, एक जगह पे आपने लाइट किया अगरबत्ती को और वो पूरा मतलब सेंट पूरे हॉल में फैल गया, मीन्स उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या किए होंगे, ट्रेवल किए होंगे, एक जगह से दूसरे जगह गए होंगे। दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट द मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ सब्सटेंस आर कांस्टेंट मोशन, वो हमेशा लगातार मोशन में रहते हैं। द मोशन इज डिफरेंट फॉर ईच ऑफ थ्री स्टेट ऑफ मैटर्स, मीन्स सब तीनों स्टेट ऑफ मैटर्स की तीनों फेज में, सॉलिड्स, लिक्विड्स एंड गैस, तीनों फेज में मोशंस क्या होंगे, अलग अलग होंगे। ऑफ कोर्स क्यों, क्योंकि सॉलिड्स में पार्टिकल्स टाइटली पैक्ड होते हैं, देयर इज ए स्मॉल गैप, very small gap, minute gap between the molecules of solid, so there is a less intermolecular space, that's why they will go very less, okay, same as it is in the there is a larger than the solid in liquid molecular space, so they move easily from one place to another place. So the velocity of molecules of liquid is higher than the velocity of molecules of solids. Again, come to the third stage, that is gaseous state. In gaseous state, molecules of gases are very far away from each other. There is a large intermolecular space gap between the molecules of gases, so they travels here and there very easily, very fastly. That's why the motion of the molecules of gases is higher than the solids and the liquids. Okay, so we know that kinetic energy is the energy possessed by any object or any body due to its motion. So in such a way we can say that kinetic energy of molecules of solid is very less than the kinetic energy of molecules of liquid than the kinetic energy of molecules of gases. Okay, now come to the point that kinetic energy of molecules get affected by the temperature of the substance. Okay, अगर हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ा देते हैं, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप सब कोई बॉयल किए वाटर हीट किए हैं, तो वाटर को जैसे हीट करते हैं उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स वेपर बन के ऊपर उड़ने लगते हैं, मतलब ऊपर आने लगते हैं, बॉयल होने लगता है, मतलब नीचे का वाटर ऊपर आता है और ऊपर का वाटर नीचे जाता है, जो कि कूलर होता है और नीचे जाता है। दैट्स इट। The kinetic energy of the molecules get affected by the temperature of the substance. So, kinetic energy of molecules of any matter, that is half mv², that is directly proportional to T temperature, where m is the mass of the molecules. Okay, mass of the molecules V is the velocity of molecules and T is the temperature of the substance, and we can say also that of that molecules. Okay, so I think that you able to understand this topic. So in similar way, the kinetic energy possessed by solid will be less than the kinetic energy possessed by the gaseous state. Kinetic energy of liquids will be higher than the solids. Okay, so thank you for this. Okay.